Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Scholastica Atieno and I do lifestyle, beauty and inspirational videos. Yes, and welcome, join the squad. Here is where we dream, believe and make it happen. In this channel we don't believe nothing, like absolutely nothing cannot happen. Everything is possible by God, so just pray, believe and make it happen. So today we are back with yet another video. This video is interesting, I'm telling you. I'm just back from work. As you can see, I'm back from work and I decided, like, still pretty early, like it's 6 o'clock right now, and I'm like, let me do that video you all been asking me for. Like, you all are in my DMs, give us a room tour, give us a room tour, give us a room tour. And I was like, okay, to be honest guys, I've been so insecure of where I've been living before. That's why I didn't want to even show a bit of where I stay. But then God gave me that conviction that, girl, if you're not proud of what I've given you right now, then how can I trust you for bigger, for what's yet to come? So I was like, let me invite you all into my space. It's not big, it's not small, it's not like, it's just enough for me. So welcome. So here is the environment. I'll just give you a good overview. So welcome, enjoy the video. So as you can see, here is the gate. Okay, let me just move here so you can, and you can see we have plant lovers, actually so many plant lovers here. So if I can break down for you guys, like, this is company's accommodation. This is company's accommodation, and here is our, community. So recently I changed jobs. And the job that I got, they give us accommodation, which are pretty good. So you can see it's a villa. So only the people I work with live here, so don't mind the mess over here. So these are plans for people. For me, I live on this one, I don't live here, I live on this other side. So let's get in the house. And here is my surprise. Yes, so there's a light there. That is a router for Wi-Fi router, and there is my bed. It's a very tiny room, but it's really enough for me. I mean, I cannot complain. And then this one is the closet. The closet or cabinet or whatever, and my fruits are there. Yes, so this is pretty much it. So here is my bedtime slippers, my bed, my water over there, my Bible, because we pray every day. We have to. Holy Bible. And I will just take it to work. And my sockets and my lights if I need a bed. It's pretty convenient, it is, but yes. So that's it. And this bag you see here, this is my shoes. This big bag is my shoes, guys, my shoes. So, and the other side is, these are the shoes that I normally wear on a daily basis, like on day-to-day basis. So my heels over there, my chunky heels from Shein. Obviously, we love them so much. They are so comfy. Let me show you. Like, they are so comfy. I love them. I go to work with them mostly. And then these ones, and just some sneakers over there. And that's basically my room. I don't like this over here. I'm trying to fix it, so very soon I will fix it. And yes, okay, so let's continue. So these others are people's rooms I cannot open for the sake of privacy. And here's one. Some people, they use these wardrobes if you don't have wardrobe. And this is our toilet, shower, and sink. Pretty simple, pretty decent. I love it. It's clean, decent, small, but enough. So that is the one. And here is our washing area. And there's another toilet as well, the same size. Pretty clean, pretty decent. Shower and sink. Yes. And we head over. This is the washing area. And we head over to the kitchen. So this is our kitchen. We share, like, right now we are sharing only 3 people. 3 people we are sharing this kitchen. So this is my mini fridge over here. I won't show you inside, guys. I'm just giving you an overview. So many cabinets. We have enough cabinets, kitchen cabinets. We have a kettle there, and we have the microwave. We also have the inbuilt microwave, which is working, but we are just used to this one. It's more easy. And here is where we cook. It's an inbuilt oven. We get to sit over there if you want to eat, but mostly I eat in my room when I watch a movie. As I watch a movie, sorry. These are the other cabinets on the other side, and here's the sink. So the kitchen is pretty big, and this is the other fridge. Okay. And a tiny watch over there, and the AC, and the lights. I don't know if I gave you a good house tour, but this is actually where I stay right now. It's very good. Let me turn the camera so we can get to talk. So let's get into it. Welcome. So I'll just give you a quick backstory so you may understand. So basically 3 years ago when I moved in Dubai, I didn't have a job. I didn't know anyone here. Like, I was totally new and green. So like, living situations back then, it wasn't good. It wasn't like, for one culture shock I got, it was the living situation here in the UAE. It's crazy. So we were living in a house, a room rather. It was like a 2-bedroom. No, it was a 1 room. It was a room, big room, within 15 people. 15 people in a room. So there would be like, I think 7 beds. So it's up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down, and I think like 5 beds up and down. And you know the beds that goes like that, like up is smaller, it's like a smaller bed, and down is like a bigger bed. So the down bed will be like a couple's bed. So in the room would be like 15 people in a room. And I was paying like 500 back then. 500. I didn't stay there long. I moved like within 5 months. So 5 months I moved to another room, which we were staying 8 people at least. So there was 4 beds. I think the room, like, it was like same size of this kitchen. Yes, same size of this kitchen. So there would be like 4 beds, up and down, up and down, up and down, and 8 people. So 8 people, 4 beds, 8 people. And you would share the kitchen, and you would share the washroom. 1 washroom, 8 people. So yeah. And then I moved from, that was my situation in Dubai, really, because let me tell you, so from 500 I moved to a 600. So 600, we were lesser people, like 8 people. Yeah, living situations. The reason why I left Dubai is because of the living situations. The Dubai rentals, like, living situation is so expensive. It's so expensive, like, for you to live comfortably, like in a studio, or as you call it, bed-sitter. For you to live in a bed-sitter or a studio house, like a studio apartment, you'd need to break a bank. It's like 3,500 and above. 3,500. So it's like basically you're using half of, or even more than half of your salary. Basically half of your salary. As an economist that I am, I'm an economist, and I swore I can never use like more than half of my salary, or even quarter of my salary for. Even God is only asking for 10%. So why would you pay like 50% in an accommodation, like for you to live? Like, I mean, it's overrated. So, but not to say, like, the real situation in Dubai is crazy, and there is a lot of rich people there who are, I think the reason why housing is expensive in Dubai, it's because of the number of affluent people, or let me say elite people in Dubai. Like, there's so, like, it outnumbers the people that are struggling. So that's why housing is so much expensive there. So I decided to move from Dubai and come to Abu Dhabi, where life was more peaceful and started to be more meaningful, because I found a nice room where I was living alone. Of course, we were sharing the kitchen and the toilet and everything, but I was living alone. I was having my own time. There was privacy. I'll add a clip there so you can see what I mean. Like, it was beautiful. It was a small room, but it was beautiful. I had my own space. Like, this is something I dreamt of, and now we are here. This is company's accommodation, which is way better than even what I had before, because we keep on growing. God keep on elevating us, and I love it. I love it. At this point, I have no complaints. Like, everything, God has been faithful, guys. Like, I'm just here to, it's more like bits by bits of my life, and how God is actually making me grow in levels I never thought I would be this soon. So, like, it's just God. It's just God. This is a channel where we dream, believe, and make it happen. All your dreams are possible. All your dreams are valid. All your dreams will happen if you just put your mind into it and involve God. Be disciplined in terms of your actions. Don't do bad because of the bad people. I mean, revenge doesn't work with God. Let God fight those battles. Just go to God in prayer and a grateful heart. Be grateful for the little He has given you, so that He can be able to uplift you when you don't even expect it. And I love my hair anyways. That's why you've been seeing me, like, you know, I love my hair. I'm so excited. So I'm just from work. I want to prepare food and then eat, watch a movie, and then just go directly to bed. So yeah. Yeah, that is my house tour. Hope you loved it. Please watch until the end, like the video, share, comment down below. Let's interact, you know, and be the dream squad. Welcome to the dream squad, where we dream, believe, and make it happen. Ciao.